Entering our weaving competition will be fun and educational. Your children will be developing fine and gross motor control and creative imagination. You will probably need to prepare the type of weaving loom you would like your children to have a go at, unless of course you're weaving in your outdoor area or on the school railings, a perfect loom. To make a circular loom, I took a paper plate and cut out triangles at regular intervals so you get something that looks like this. I then took a long piece of wool and looped over each tooth at its opposite, making sure that the wool crossed through the middle every time. Next, take a safe, blunt, large needle. The plastic kind are usually found in the art cupboard in school, and thread it with any old scraps of wool or fabric that you like. If you're using a shoebox loom, like this one, you can be far more adventurous with the materials you select to weave with. However, the circular loom needs materials that are more flexible, as they need to be bent and to be pulled into a circle shape. Once your loom or looms are ready, you're all set to go. Will you create a giant loom that you all share in, or individual looms in pairs or small groups? The choice is completely yours.